Good evening. Congratulations to tonight's other award recipients, and thank you for sharing it this evening. I really wish we could be together in person this evening. However, Zoom has provided a silver lining in that I can share this evening with some distant friends and family who have given me so much support. I'm especially glad that my 100-year-old father can witness this from Ann Arbor. My dad was an exceptional senior athlete, and a few years ago the Ann Arbor City Golf League established the Storey Sportsmanship Award in his honor. I think that sportsmanship and civility share a respect for the game and the participants in it, and so this award is especially meaningful to me since it suggests that my apple did not fall too far from his tree. It's also one of the greatest honors of my professional career to be accepting the Ted Swift Award from the Swift conference room of the Foster Swift law firm. I first met Ted when I interned with Foster Swift in the summer of 1978 and had the good fortune to work with him on several projects as an associate and for 15 years as his partner until his passing in 2000. But Ted was not my only example of how to practice this great profession. Throughout my time with Foster Swift, I've been surrounded by professionals of the highest caliber who always strive to do the right thing. And for the past 15 years as the firm's general counsel and head of legal ethics, I've had the privilege of assisting that team of colleagues navigate the high road. To me, the most influential of those colleagues has been Tony Smith, the finest lawyer I have ever known. Tony moved for my admission to the bar in 1979 and has been my mentor and professional role model for over 42 years. I've also benefited from so many other members of this bar association. Most of you who have influenced me probably didn't realize it, and some of you may not even have known who I was. But I usually took something away from every deposition, every hearing, every trial, mediation, or other encounter. I've always loved our motion days and always tried to arrive early for my matters, ostensibly to assess how the judge's day was going, but also so that I could observe how other lawyers approached their cases and presented their arguments. Since the nature of my practice exposed me to judges and attorneys all over the state, I was able to recognize the very high degree of professionalism practiced in Mid-Michigan, and I've always been proud of the reputation Mid-Michigan lawyers have, and that I have found that to exist throughout the state. I think there's a lesson in the fact that I've been influenced by so many lawyers who were probably unaware of their impact on me. I think that the lesson is that how we handle ourselves, for better or worse, can influence everyone. They say that you should dance like no one is watching. I say you should practice this profession like everyone is watching, because they are. And to the less experienced lawyers listening, I urge you to take advantage of every opportunity to observe how other lawyers practice this great profession. And in doing so, I think you'll observe that a lack of civility adds nothing to the pursuit of justice or your client's cause, that it makes it harder to achieve your client's goals, increases the costs to your client, and destroys confidence in the legal system. And it adds needless stress to an already high-pressure profession. I think that you'll find that you will be more effective in your actions if your actions don't reflect the anger and ill feelings of your clients. That zeal does not require rudeness. Rather, that while preparation makes civility easier to achieve, civility itself is persuasive. Civility disarms your adversary, and it frustrates the bully. Despite the pressures of an increasingly uncivil world, I'm convinced that respect and courtesy can benefit your professional goals, your personal goals, the interests of your clients, and the ideals of our legal system. I hope that it will give you the same pride and satisfaction in your careers that I have found in mine, and I'll be forever grateful for this award.